Alright guys, in this video I'm literally showing you guys all these trades I took today. These trades I literally took with my students in live trading together. Unfortunately the video was without audio, so I'm literally going again, literally showing these trades for you guys. But yeah, today's Monday, literally starting the week. We have almost nothing news today, so just news at 9:30 a.m. in United States Manufacturing Index. So as you can see in the 5 minutes time frame too, the market today was literally moving in sideways. So yeah, sideways today was the movements of the market. I was literally, as you can see, already hitting my targets right there. But as you can see in the 4 hours time frame, this price was my target. Since the early in the morning today, literally in there around that price was my entry point. So as you can see, this price was my targets already achieved. So I literally share all these in my Instagram too. But let's go in, see my trades I took today. These two trades buy on gold, literally take profits 1, take profits 2, take profits 3, reach price, beautiful price action, literally achieve one resistance right there, another one right there, literally going in the range movements as we call it. So in trading these movements of just going the sideways, literally call it as the range movements. So range movements, so we call it range. So that was a range movements. Literally took these two trades in that type of movements. We have a breakout zone right there. So breakouts this resistance and then going all over up, change the another resistance in another bigger time frames, 4 hours time frames, 1 hour time frames. But yeah, in this entry guys, I was literally trading live with my students. So as you can see in my Telegram group too, since this, the first trade right there, at 7 a.m., almost 8 a.m. for my students inside my VIP group. So if you want to get in, just send them a message in my Instagram, in my DM. I personally reply all my DMs there, so I can put you in where you can have access to all the trades I'm taking. So literally the first trade today, I literally sent there, I'll take profits, stop loss, entry points, all the stuffs, take profits 1 hits, take profits 2 hits, take profits 3, all the take profits hits, beautiful trade as you can see. They, literally come back the price, enter again, as you can see this range right there, entry point, stop loss, a little bit under, and all the take profits hits, literally the targets of the 4 hours too. But another trade, the second trade I sent here too, as you can see, at 9:20 a.m. 10 minutes before the news we have today, I sent the trade there inside my VIP group. So guys, literally can have access to the same entries, the same trades I'm doing. You can have access and do too, so that's crazy. So you can see the entry points was there, take profits 1 hit, running 60 pips in profits. Literally go to fly guys, the literally the movements in the market was crazy at the moment. And yeah, literally updates all these in my Telegram channel, in my Instagram too. But guys, there was the two trades I took today, literally expecting gold going a little bit higher than as you can see in the 4 hours time frame. So guys, that's why it's important to always look at all time frames. A lot of people who follow me are just starting trading. Guys, there was you can make a lot of money for this if you know exactly what you need to do, exactly when you need to enter in the market. So guys, you can see I just took 2 trades today, literally Monday, just took 2 trades today. And that's why guys, more than I need, 2 trades, literally make more than $4,000 just today, 2 trades. Take profits 1, take profits 2, right there, big movements on gold. And that's why I'm just trading gold guys, because I literally follow the same movements, the same guys, the same thing. My strategy works 100% here. So literally guys can teach you everything, so of course if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to use the markets to make money, just send them a message with my Instagram. I still have my one spots, my one mentorship. So these 2 trades I went live with the students who are in the elite package there. So they literally traded together with me, literally in the same time trading together, face by face talk, with all the students out there, and two in my VIP group of Telegram sends exactly the entries there with all the all the numbers, stop loss, take profits, all the stuff. So if you just copy paste exactly the same trades I'm doing here. But yeah, today's literally market was moving a big sideways, literally going up, going down, going up, going down, literally breakouts of structure right here, and they just achieve the our targets at the 4 hours time frame. But yeah, literally goes a little bit correct these movements right there, these spike movements, just have a little bit down to literally correct all these movements before, and then go up again, achieve this resistance right there. So you can see if where hits right there, gold can have two options: just recover again and going down, literally recover again, going down, look for this other right there, and then come back up, break and still going down, or trade can literally break out this structure too, and then it's still going up. So can break right there, it's still going up. So we see later, of course, I update all the traders inside my VIP group. Just need to take a look of the bigger time frames. You can see right there at this point we have this mark right there. So we can expect, if gold literally break off this structure right there, achieve this target. So if you see in the 15 minutes time frame, gold is right there. If you break this, we can expect these movements, right there. So we can just in the 5 minutes time frame right now, we can literally wait for these movements. If break this, so we can just position or buy position, right there. The first targets will be right there, and we can put it our stop loss a little bit, under this other right there. So if gold literally break out this territory, that was my entry I was doing. But a little already literally achieve all these targets for today, so I don't take any trades more today. But yeah, just a little bit show you the markets how it can move later. But guys, yeah, that was literally the trades I took today. These two buy trades on gold. I'll be literally doing more educational content right there in this YouTube channel. So just follow me if you want to see more trading content. If you want to start trading, if you want to literally quit your 9 to 5 job, use this to make money. Use this to build your freedom. Because guys, literally in 15-30 minutes, we have our goal and profits for the week. You can achieve this goal in 30 minutes with the right strategy. So if you're making like, bro, $120 in a 9 to 5 job, you can make easily the same amount of money here in trading, guys, in less time. If you're working 8-hour days, you can make the same amount of money in your 9 to 5 job here, in trading. And guys, literally 1 hour, 2 hours, even less. So we just need to have the right knowledge, build this high income skill, so you can literally take money, in every day for this max. And as you can see, literally trading already achieved this other right there. Now just hits, and you can see right now, if just do the retracements, it's still already going up, going down, or break this zone and going up, to hit these targets right there. But yeah, guys, that way you can literally learn the markets, position yourself every day, to win the markets every day, take profits from this. But yeah, guys, love to share my mind of this trade today, to share the trades I took today too. If you wanna learn trading, just send a message from me, my Instagram. I still have some spots open for my one-on-one elite mentorship. And if you wanna join my VIP group of Telegram, just send a message from me too. So here you can have all the entries I'm doing, so you can just copy and paste. But yeah, guys, just I'll wait to another video.